Those were all the copper mines. Am I right? Did I say it right? Anyway, that's what Cyprus means. And we have, let me introduce Jose. Tomorrow we have Latin night. Let me introduce Jose, tell you about tomorrow.
Thank you, George. George Delis, the unofficial mayor of Astόria. Get up. And also, let's put our hand together for this magnificent band. Great sound. Great professional. The invitation is for tomorrow, 7 p.m. We have a Latin night. That means merengue, Cuban music. I'm from Cuba. Salsa, cha-cha-cha, and everything in between. So please bring your dancing shoes and see you tomorrow. Latin night. Thank you very much. George.
Jose, you're terrific. Our sponsor tonight is Philip Christopher, a very, very well-known representative of Cyprus and the issues concerning Cyprus. Thank you, Philip Christopher, for sponsoring tonight. Next Tuesday, we have Greek night again. We have Angeliki Psonis and her friends. You're going to love it. And then next Wednesday, we're going to have again Cuban night. It'll be the final. And then October 3rd, we're going to have our final Greek night. We'll be with John Stikos. Will be the final. With us, we have George Kitsios from the Greek American Homeowners. George Kitsios and the Greek American Homeowners raised a lot of money for the monuments that you see here in Athens Square Park. We have also Norma Castanas, who has been very supportive of the creation of our park. Thank you, Norma Castanas. And I think Friday is going to be the last Arabian night. I think. I'm not even positive. I called Mustafa to find out, to confirm, but he hasn't gotten back to me. I want to thank Michael from MGTV USA. Thank you, Michael, for covering our events. And I want to thank Dimitri Tsakas. Dimitri, thank you so much, Dimitri, for supporting us. And you guys are terrific. I just want you to know you're terrific. Your music is heartwarming. Okay, we're done. Young man, we're done. Let's proceed. No more speeches.
Hello.